Look at this hair. I need help. Reagan's gonna help.
Hey mamas, you heard Kylie and we're partnering up with Reagan Sanai today to help out with Kylie's hair. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to create a cute and easy protective style. Perfect for my beginner stylers, but first things first.
Wash your hair.
So the Reagan Sanai Moisturizing Black Soap Shampoo is sulfate-free and it's perfect to use to help soothe eczema, psoriasis, or relieve dry scalps. It's formulated with certified organic slippery elm bark and tea tree oil, and of course is made from raw, natural black soap to protect, nourish, and cleanse your little one's scalp and hair from roots to ends. Just apply the shampoo, lather, and rinse. So after rinsing, follow up with the Reagan Sanai Avocado and Banana Deep Conditioner. So this all-natural deep conditioner is blended with avocado, banana, coconut milk, and certified organic honey to not only penetrate and moisturize the driest of strands, but to also strengthen and provide fatty acids to help prevent breakage in your little one's hair. So this deep conditioner left Kylie's hair feeling amazing. I mean, her hair was left feeling so soft and moisturized. Definitely recommend you guys try this product out. And the best part about it is that it's kid-friendly, all natural, so you don't have to worry about whether you can use it on your little one's hair or not, because the products were specifically made to cater to children of all ages and hair types. So the deep conditioner is fairly thick, but it does have great slip to help aid with detangling. So just grab a white tooth comb and detangle your little one's hair from ends to roots. Let the deep conditioner sit in the hair for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. Okay, now that you have a clean, fresh base to start with, section off a front portion of their hair and then split that section down the middle so that you can create a banded twist like so. So to create the banded twist, part out small to medium sections depending on how many rubber bands you want to use. Then apply the Moisturizing Aloe Refresher Spray to dampen their hair. Then apply the Moisturizing Leave-In Detangler to the section. And then afterwards, apply a little bit of the Nourishing Growth Oil just to ensure that their hair and scalp stays nice and moisturized for their long-term protective style. Brush and fully detangle the section, then use small elastic hair ties to gather the sections together. Now you can use colorful hair ties to give them a more youthful look, or you can keep it plain and simple and use natural or clear color elastic hair ties and add some hair jewelry or accessories. It's really up to you. Create another section right behind that section and repeat the same steps, except you're going to add the hair from the first section to the new one before gathering it with a hair tie. So this banded style is perfect for beginner stylers who don't know how to cornrow or flat twist. Again, just repeat these steps for however many sections you choose to make and switch up the colors on the hair ties for some fun. So after you complete the banded ponytail, just split the hair in half and create a 2-strand twist. Now to secure the ends in place and keep the twist from unraveling, you can either coil the ends, add beads, a beret, or you can use another hair tie, and this will give the style more flair as well, and this might also be just a little bit more comfortable for your little one to sleep in rather than beads. Just repeat those steps for the front 2 sections of their hair, then just part off small to medium sections with the remaining hair in the back. Again, to ensure their hair is nice and moisturized for this long-term protective style, you want to dampen this section with the Reagan Sanai Moisturizing Aloe Refresher Spray. Apply the Moisturizing Leave-In Detangler. Use a little bit of the Mango Butter Soufflé to seal in all the moisture. Then apply some of the Nourishing Growth Oil to the scalp. So detangle the section and gather the section with a hair tie. Split the hair into 2 equal pieces and twist one piece over the other to create your 2-strand twist. Then add the hair at the end to add more color to the style. Love this cute and easy protective style for Kylie because it's simple, quick, and keeps me from having to do her hair throughout the week. And of course, protective styles are great for length retention in case you didn't know. So the Reagan Sanai products left Kylie's twist nice and moisturized. And of course, we love them so much that we want to do a giveaway for you mamas so you can have a chance to try them out too. Be sure to check the description box for more information on Reagan Sanai products and for details on how you can enter the giveaway.
Wow, look, my hair is so pretty. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Comment below and let us know if you've ever tried Reagan Sanai products, and let us know which one is your favorite one. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if this is a style you'd let your little one rock, and be sure to follow me on Instagram at naturallychia. Thanks for watching. Put it in your hair. Put it in your hair. No, in your hair, girl. Not your face.